Hi guys, it's 4 p.m. and it's feeding time for my native chicken. This is what I do best when I'm at home during weekends and during holidays. And yung native chicken natin, I already have the 85 heads and pinapakain natin sila 7 in the morning for the breakfast and then lunch by 12 noon and then pinapakain din natin by 4 p.m. Pinapakain natin a good mixture of commercial food and corn. And gagamitin natin ngayon, gagawin natin, i-prepare natin yung food nila. And I will show it to you. Yan, tara, sundan natin kung paano natin gawin yung food nila.
Wandering Zone.
Guys, for 85 heads na native chicken, this is sufficient for them already. And half of it will be putting in commercial BSC food nila. And half of it, talagyan natin ng cracked corn. So, by the way guys, pag sinasabi natin good mixture of food, this will result to good quality of meat and organic pa din. And good for the health pa rin pag yung people who would consume that meat. So, half na to nito. Half nito, commercial food or BSC. Then, half naman is cracked corn. You can buy it sa mga agri-vet supplies, sa mga pagkain ng manok. So, half of it cracked corn. Kumakain pa rin naman sila. Okay, this time puno na siya and yung gagawin natin is let's put in water here para mag-mix naman. Maganda yung mixture ng food at saka yung cracked corn. Andito pa tayo sa likod ng bahay, yung dito tayo gumagawa ng food at saka malapit lang din yung native chicken na nilalagyan. So, lagyan lang natin ng tubig guys. This is a very simple activity for you guys na gustong mag-alaga ng native chicken. Of course, if you have the space at your backyard, you can have it and kailangan nyo lang yung masyado kayong careful about taking care of them kasi during rainy days, nagkakasakit sila, nagkakasipon. So every day, you have to check them all para ma-check natin kung okay pa ba. And then if we will find out na may mga sakit, pinapainom natin sila ng medicine. Okay na to, mix na. Tara, pakain na natin sa mga mga alaga natin ng manok. Tingnan natin Yan. Sobra silang gutom na. And then gustong-gusto nila kumain. Ilang buwan na lang, pwede na siyang i-harvest. So usually pag ganito sila, nag-aagawan sila ng food. Pag ginagawa natin, nilalagyan mo natin dito. Yan. Doon. Kaya naman tingnan natin sila. Somehow, hindi tayo mahirapan kasi nakahagulo sila eh. Ganito na, sarap sila tayo. Ano? Good. So guys, tingnan nyo. Ito yung mga alaga natin. Ang cute nila. Ganda dito. Diba nakakawala ng stress. So ganito nakikita. Then after this, dito naman dito na area kasi meron pang mga maliliit. Inisin muna natin yung kain nila. Sakit! Kasi yung mga manok pag nahugot na sila, they will take everything para makakain. So pag kahit sumasakay sila dito, and dito kasi pag space pala ng masyadong space for them to eat, kapag napakain namin, so dito na lang sa may sementadong part, nalagay ng tubig. Ito guys, nakakapagod minsan, mainit dito, and at least nakakawala ng stress. But if you are surrounded by this palaga, naman para sa diba cute? Diba? Native chicken, pwede mong gawin sa likod ng bahay.
Backyard.
Ito, malalagay na sila. Oh. Pwede na to. Pero kailangan ba ng ilang buwan?
Aray!
Hello guys, this time naman, after nilang kumain, kailangan nating i-update yung water nila. Kailangan nating i-change yung water every feeding time para naman mawala yung dumi sa tubig nila. So dito, ito yung ano nila, ito lang yan. Nililinis natin. And malinis na siya, of course lagyan natin ng tubig. Kasi just like us, after natin kumain, kailangan natin ng tubig. And ito lang na. Yan na po. Dito naman isa. Tubig naman. So after natin mapakain, mapainom ng tubig, all good na sila. And then, bukas naman natin pakain sila ng breakfast. 7 AM. Okay? Thank you guys!